Welcome to aminacademy.com. In mathematics, regarding algebra challenge, let us do some example problem. A merchant on his highway to the market with some number of bags of rice passes through three toll gates. At the first gate, the toll is one-fourth of his holdings, but three bags are returned. At the second gate, the toll is one-third of his new holdings, but two bags are returned. At the third gate, the toll is half of his new holdings, but one bag is returned. The merchant arrives at the market with exactly half number of bags of how much he holds first. If all transaction involves whole number of bags, find the number of bags he holds. Here, the merchant having some number of rice bags on his way. In first toll gate, he has to give one-fourth of his holdings. Initially, he's having n bags, n number of bags he is having. In first toll has to give n minus one-fourth of n plus 3. That means he is having n number of holdings. One-fourth of his holdings has to give, but three bags return. So which gives 3/4 n plus 3. That is, after first toll he is having 3/4 of n plus 3 bags. Second toll is having at the second gate he has to give one-third of his new holdings. One-third he has to give. That means one-third he has to give means two-third is balance. Two-third of 3n by 4 plus 3 and 2 bags return. By simplification, which gives n by 2 plus 4. After crossing the second toll, he is having n plus 2 plus 4 bags. At third toll, he is having a third gate toll half of his new holdings. At the second gate, return. At the third gate, the toll is half of his new bag, one bag return. Half of the remaining things is half of n by 2 plus 4, 1 return back. So simplifying this, n by 4 plus 3. After crossing the third toll, he is having n by 4 plus 3 bags. Now, but if the merchant arrives at the market with exactly half number of bags, therefore he is returning half number of bags, so which is equal remaining after third row, that is equating n by 4 plus 3, which is equal to n by 2 bags is having at the market. By solving this, n by 2 minus n by 4 equal to 3. Therefore, n by 4 equal to 3. Therefore, n equal to 12 bags. Very first, he is having 12 bags before crossing the tolls. Look at the next question. The revenue are equal to Px, that is R is rupees obtained from the sale of X articles, each of the selling price in P rupees, where C equal to mx plus B represent the total cost C in rupees. If producing the selling these X articles, how many articles must be sold at break even? Here we know that at break even at break even point R equal to C revenue equal to cost total cost of production. Here the revenue function is Px, that is R equal to C Px equal mx plus b. This cost is mx plus b. Then Px minus mx equal to b. B is x minus x into p minus m equal to b. Therefore, x equal to b over p by m, which means that x is, here he says x is sale of number of articles, p equal to price. So the number of articles to be produced equal b over p minus m. We have to find how many articles must be sold to break even. So it has to sold x for, then revenue, number of goods sold is b over p minus m. Therefore revenue equal to cost equal b into p minus m, that is x into price p. So therefore revenue equal to cost equal pb p minus m. Suppose the values are given, p, b, p, m given, we can find number of items to be sold is we can find, as well as total revenue or cost, total production of cost we can find. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.